Leslie and I'm back to do another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys some new makeup brushes that I just received, and oh my gosh, I am so excited to try them out. So I was pretty much just looking through my makeup stuff and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have like no brushes, because the brushes I used to have in the past, they were old and jacked up and I threw them away, and I never really restocked on my brush collection. So I was like, I need to get some new brushes, but I don't want to break the bank buying them. So what I did is I went over to ebay.com and I was looking online at the different cosmetic items that they do have. And y'all, let me tell you, please do not sleep on eBay, because they have amazing cosmetic products that are really good quality for an amazing price. Super cheap, super affordable. So make sure you check out eBay for some nice cosmetic items. Like I was saying, I was looking for some brushes and I came upon this vendor, and I will leave the direct link in the description box so you guys can check it out. And when I saw these brushes, I was like, these are so beautiful. Like, it's just so pretty, black and gold. And there were so many different options to choose from. You could have done black and silver, pink and white, all these different colors, but I decided to just keep it simple and classy, and I went with the gold and white. So the brushes did come with 5 face brushes that look like this, and then it also came with 5 eye brushes that look like this, and I'll go through each of the brushes individually to show you guys what comes in the pack. So the first face brush looks like this, and it has a tapered top, and I would probably use this to like blend out like my concealer or like my highlight or something. And let me tell you guys, these brushes are so soft. Like, I cannot stop playing with them. Since I got them, I have been just rubbing my fingers on them non-stop because they are just so soft. And the next brush I have here has a bit of, it's like an angled brush. As you can see, it has an angle here, and I'd probably use this to blend out any cream or liquid products I put on my face. So maybe like a foundation or something. Any angled brushes like this are really good for liquid products. The next brush I have looks like this, and it also angled, but it's more of like a buffing brush because it's not super flat, it's kind of rounded at the top, so it's like an angled buffing brush. And then this brush is just like a regular buffing brush, and I'm going to be using this to blend out my foundation because I have a cream slash stick foundation, so this will be perfect for blending it out. And then the last brush I have is a flat top brush, and I'm probably going to use this to apply powder or like my setting powder on top of my foundation or on my highlighter. So those are the face brushes, and I'm now going to go ahead and talk about the eye brushes. And they're pretty much the exact same as the face brushes, just in a littler form for your eyes. So we have the buffing brush that has a round top. We have the flat top brush right here. We have another one that has a nice tapered top. We have one that is angled and buffed, and then we have one that is angled and straight. So it's pretty much like a pair. The face brushes and the eye brushes match in terms of the style brush it is, just that one is designated for your face and one is designated for your eyes. So yes, like I said before, these brushes, this 10-piece brush set was so cheap. It was $10 for the whole brush set, and a lot of other makeup companies charge like 3, 4, 5 times more for a 10-piece brush set. So you guys cannot lose when you guys use eBay to buy some of your cosmetic products, because I'm telling you, these brushes, you guys, feel amazing. It's super good quality. They are synthetic fiber brushes, so yeah, it's just so beautiful. So yes, I will for sure be doing some makeup tutorials using these brushes. I'm so excited to try them out. And of course, since I did get a new brush set, I had to get a new cosmetic bag because I don't have anything to put the brushes in. So I did purchase this cosmetic bag here. This was about $2, okay, $2. So I decided to get it in pink, and all of my brushes hold perfectly in there. So yes, I am waiting for a couple other cosmetic items to come that I did order from ebay.com. I did order some more brushes. I did order like a contour brush and a big powder brush. I ordered the little brush cleaner that you put on your hand, and some other things. So as soon as I get those, I'll definitely come back on here and show you guys the product. Like I said before, I will leave a direct link to the things that I did purchase in the description bar, so you guys go and check it out. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns, then definitely leave them down below in the description, in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another